just woke up. Today's plan is to get this thing into scrap. We're going to take everything that I need out of it, which is basically battery, shifter. I might save the dash because realistically, I shouldn't need the dash. I'm going to definitely save the steering wheel, gas pedal, gas tank. I'm going to save the post-to-post, the gas tank protector, the back brace, battery box, roof sign, sunroof cover, dash bar, switch panels. I'm not going to take anything out of the rear end, as in the subframe. I'm not even going to save... Nah, I don't know. I might save the spindles. I'm not sure. We'll see once it's on the trailer. I'm basically going to get this thing gutted right down to nothing today. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to save my rear brake cap-offs, and then I'm probably going to cut a whole bunch of these to make some more. So then that way I have some spares. So that way it's easier for me to do it. Other than that, that's pretty much all. Oh, I want to save the hood. And the reason I want to save the hood is because it's not that bent yet. And sometimes my hoods get pretty mangled. As you can see, that pink one on the fence. But, yeah, I'm going to save the hood. But just to use as a spare one, I guess. Other than that, I just want to tear this thing down. And then I'm probably going to pull the Avalon, which is that one, up beside it. And just rip all the interior out of the Avalon because it runs and drives. And it'll be an easy one to strip. We're going to use the torch to remove this. Everything else should be unboltable, really. But, oh, seatbelt. I want to save the seatbelt as well. I'm going to leave the inside driver door bar, mostly because they're just too hard to get out. And once you cut them out, they're just not that good anymore. So, a little bit of work to do on this thing today. Should have it cleaned up. I'd like it on the trailer and maybe even in the scrap today. We'll see, but I think that's going to be a far cry if we have able to do all that today. But the faster we get started, the more faster we can get done, right guys? So let's get going. stripped this entire car. I mean, like, everything I want out of it is pretty much out of this thing. There was a topic not that long ago here, and it was said to me that people didn't like time lapses. And honestly, I love time lapses on this channel. You guys may notice none of my videos have music playing because YouTube gets mad at me when I have music playing. So, when I have time lapses, I have music playing, so that way I'm not going crazy from silence thinking to myself. But anyway, it also gives me a chance to help out local people that are actually, some of them are demolition derby drivers that send me some music. Spencer Lindmeyer, I think I said his last name correctly. He's actually the guy that was just playing in that music before. And he is a local demolition derby driver here in Ontario. He emailed me his music and asked me if I'd play it. And I said, you know what, of course I would. So, if you're a demolition guy, or you're a local guy, or a small indie guy and want your music on the channel, I don't have that many subscribers, but I would be happy to put your music on my channel and some of my time lapses. If you think you have music that, look at all the mud, there's a worm in there. Holy. If you think you have music that will fit Zach's workshop and some of the time lapses I do, feel free to send me an email or a Facebook message and we can get in touch. Hopefully we can work something out and get your music on the internet. So the car is pretty much stripped. I just have to pull out a couple more braces on the inside, and then I'm going to probably pull the Avalon up beside it and strip out the interior and the rear seats and just get this car somewhat full so it goes in so it's not empty. Because it's basically a dumpster car right now, but it's empty. So I don't like to send cars into the scrapyard empty. So, yeah, well, hopefully we can get this thing filled up. But like I said, if you guys want some of your music on there, feel free to send me a message and maybe we can work something out and we can get your music on my YouTube channel. I like to put the titles of whose music it is and everything as well. So thank you, Spencer, and your music's been amazing on this YouTube channel. And thank you everybody for watching. The fancy Camry is pretty much just going off to scrap right now. There's nothing really left of it, unfortunately. If the front frame wasn't as bad as what it was, I probably would have ran it again, even with the back coming in the way it is, but with the front frame bent 90 degrees like it was junk to me. So, take what I need, scrap it, move on to the next one. We got another derby coming up here in about 2 days, and the car still hasn't even fired since October last year, so we got quite a bit of work to do on that. I don't even think I'll get the videos up before the derby happens. So thanks everybody for watching, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.